Introduction. Interfacing an LED with the ATmega32 microcontroller is a simple yet important task that can be accomplished by using a few basic electronic components. The ATmega32 is a high-performance 8-bit microcontroller that offers a wide range of features and interfaces, making it an ideal choice for a variety of applications. Components required. To interface an LED with the ATmega32, we need the following components. 1. ATmega32 microcontroller. 2. LED. 3. Resistor, 220 ohms. 4. Breadboard. 5. Jumper wires, male to female. 6. USB AVR ISP programmer. Steps to perform interfacing an LED with the ATmega32 microcontroller. The following are the steps involved in interfacing an LED with the ATmega32 microcontroller. 1. Connect the positive leg of the LED to pin 0 of the ATmega32 microcontroller using a 220 ohms resistor. 2. Connect the negative leg of the LED to the ground (GND) pin of the ATmega32 microcontroller. 3. Connect the ATmega32 microcontroller to the computer using a USB cable. 4. Open the AVR Studio software and create a new project. 5. Write the code to turn on the LED connected to pin 0 of the ATmega32 microcontroller. 6. Build the code and upload it to the microcontroller using the AVR ISP programmer. 7. Run the code and observe the LED turning on. Code. Here is a code to turn on the LED connected to pin 0 of the ATmega32 microcontroller. This code sets pin 0, PB0, of the ATmega32 microcontroller as an output pin and continuously turns on the LED connected to it by setting the corresponding bit in the port register.